And so the way we do this is by scanning the competitive environment in order to understand the decisions that our competitors make based on the decisions that we make. And so what a really quick example of that we see frequently in times like Q4 is the race to the bottom, is that pesky price war, where competitor A and competitor B are undercutting each other until they ultimately bottom out the price, and which takes away that kind of coveted profit margin. And so what SellerSnap does is that we understand that our competitors are using rules in order. And so in a scenario of a price war, what we can see is that competitor is attached to our price, and if they're attached to our price, we affect them, and we can affect them either in a positive or negative way. So in the scenario that you see here, what SellerSnap does is that we know that competitor will move up in price when we move up. So what we'll do is we'll move up to our max, wait for our competitor, and then re-engage with them until the repricer thinks that the price gets too low, and it moves back up and thus restarts that cycle. Another really common thing we see is when we're sharing the buy box with a competitor. And when we're talking about profit and profit margin optimization, we know that if a competitor is matching us at, let's say, $20, we want to find the highest price that they'll continue to match it with us, so we can still share the buy box with them, but ultimately make those sales at a higher price point and having a positive effect on our profit and our profit margin.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.